All right, welcome back. This is Albert of NFTY.com, and I want to get right into it. Let's get into the basics of Ethereum. So let's talk about how Ethereum works. And we're talking about Ethereum as it is the grandfather and creator of the smart contract layer. In other words, the operating system. If Bitcoin is the grandfather of all cryptocurrencies, Ethereum was its younger, sexier offspring. Okay. And so let's talk about what it is and how it works. So Ethereum is an open source and decentralized proof of work protocol, which is a fancy way of saying there's computers mining transactions as of right now. They do have plans to move to a proof of stake consensus protocol, which means it would not be miners anymore. They're trying to scale and also deal with the energy usage and all that and gas fees. So if you could think about Ethereum as if it was like a toll road, right? And it's a highway. That's where the gas fees come into play, where you pay more to move faster, or the less you pay, the slower your transactions move through the blockchain. Okay, so it is considered like the operating system of the blockchains. So it's the OS of blockchains. And they Ethereum pioneered smart contracts. And that basically all that is it works like a vending machine. It's basically programmable computer code that executes automatically on the blockchain. And so it works like this. If these certain conditions are met, then do this thing, right? If this, then do that. That's essentially how it works. So when you hear smart contracts, I don't want you to think it's a contract, like a written contract. It's actually computer code that's executed automatically without needing a third party to execute that code. So it'll automatically always execute. And so they have this saying called code is law. And so basically whatever is coded into the smart contract, that is what works. That is what happens. Okay. And so NFTs were made popular on Ethereum. There was a couple of NFTs on the Bitcoin protocol, but where they really became famous with the ERC 721 standard and CryptoKitties and all that, it was on Ethereum, on the Ethereum network. So let me talk to you about what gas fees are. You're going to hear about gas fees a lot. And so again, we go back to that toll road highway example. And so in order to move faster through the network, you pay a higher gas fee. And if you pay less gas, then you're going to travel the network slower. And so your transactions will take longer. Okay. You're going to also see something called GWEI, which is pronounced GWEI. And so it might be confusing when you look at these websites of how to calculate the gas price. And so I have this easy website to use. It's called gasnow.org. You can always check out the gas prices there. You're going to see the prices in dollars. But GWEI essentially is the smallest unit of Ethereum. So imagine like the penny is the smallest unit of the US dollar. GWEI is the smallest unit of Ethereum. It's got 18 digits. So it's a pretty small amount, but that's all that is. If you see that, that's kind of what that means. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a video of the network in action displayed on a website called txstreet.com, but it's pretty cool. You can see how the network works in a visual format. Okay, so right here you see all these different places where these transactions are coming from, and these are literally people packing into these blocks, right? These train blocks, and they're going and traveling to the blockchain. And so these are actual transactions. These are real world transactions. You can see over here on the left, you're going to see all the stats. You're going to see the median contract fee, which is right now is $24. And this changes, right? This is changing. And this is a pre-recorded video. So you're going to see my mouse moving separately, but it's pretty cool. Like all these little icons are different famous, that's Maker's DAO, I believe. That's Tether. Can't remember what that logo is, but down here, I think I scroll here in a moment, you're going to see like CryptoKitties. But you can kind of basically see, and it gives you a call out, right? So last Ethereum block was 32 seconds ago. The median transfer fee was $4.12. All right, so that's the basics of Ethereum to get you just up and running with the basics of how it works. If you have any questions beyond this, you can jump in the Discord. It's niftyfarm.com/Discord. And I'll see you guys in the next video.